What up, family? It's me, Eddie Reacts to You. I got something in the mail today. It has to do with my AR. As you can see, I just switched out the butt stock to the Magpul. The Magpul MOE. But yeah, so it was MOE, and then the carbine, the carbine length Magpul handguard. It's a lot slimmer from the original, and it has the M-lock. That I just ordered a bunch of M-lock accessories, and just got my prime delivery. Which is let's see if it it's the 2-point sling with the M-lock. So I'm gonna put a 2-point sling. And the Falcon V1 3 times magnifier. It's a magnifier for my red dot. The Falcon, I believe this one was a Tacticon Falcon. Oh yeah, that's nice. And the dope thing about it comes in a little hard case, man. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it says right here. The Tacticon Falcon V1 3 times. Alright, family, so this is what it looked like on. It's pretty nice.
In home, starting screensaver.
See if it'll pick up on the camera. Kind of see the green dot right there. Well, it magnifies it. It's pretty cool. I like it because it matches. Same brand. Also, if you're needing to use your iron sights, just press that button. Pull it out the way. Flip up sights. Ready to rock. And when you want to use your magnifier, put it down, press the button, lock. She's ready to go. It's coming out. I got a light coming, handle, foregrip. What else I got coming for this thing? Sling. Looking good. Got the mag pouches, Tacticon. I do have a carrier, less carrier. I plan on putting plates on. Just want to build it out more. Got me another Fiachi red dot. Main dinner, Wingstop. This is the Fiachi V30 2 MOA red dot. It's The little red dot is pretty nice. Comes in a hard case. I got from my MCK kit. And as you see, I got the magnifier Tacticon Falcon V1 for my Tacticon red dot. And I got the Fiachi FL14 in matte black with the pressure switch light, flashlight, charger, battery. This is the actual light. It's pretty nice, feels nice. Just the pressure switch on and off momentarily. The M-lock mounting hardware, charger, and the battery. I'll mount that on real quick. There's a little mounted on Fiachi. They paid like 35 bucks for it. I think it looks pretty cool. Looks cool. As long as it looks good, does its job, that's all that matters. It looks dope. Turn it on. Yeah, that's what I needed. Now I just need my handle, my foregrip. It's harder to grab the handguard now with that thing on there. But looks good. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna run a 100 rounds through it, see if it loosens up, see how it runs with it. Low lighting. Alright, family. Y'all have a good evening. Love y'all, man. Y'all stay safe, shoot straight, baby.